Tell something about yourself.
I am Jayan Sabas, 26 years old, single, high school graduate. I am the eldest of the 4 members in my family. I have one daughter, 6 years old. Ex-abroad in Middle East, unfinished contract.
What is your main reason for applying abroad?
The main reason to applying abroad, I want to help my family and I want to help my daughter so that finish her study and also have a big salary in abroad.
Why Singapore?
Because I finished to go Middle East, so I want to try and experience in Asian country.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, madam.
How about young children?
Yes, madam, of course.
Can you sing lullaby to put baby to sleep?
I don't know how to sing lullaby, but I have song so that baby can make sleep.
Can you give us an example?
Okay, madam. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, we all kept together.
Are you willing to take care of elderly and bedridden people?
Yes, madam.
How about animals?
Yes, madam.
Are you willing to take care of pets and domestic animals?
Yes, madam.
Do you have any experience in cooking?
Yes, madam.
Where?
In Middle East, Kuwait.
What particular food or dishes can you prepare?
For example, laham, Arabic food, cake, and salad.
Do you know how to bake?
Yes, madam.
Most people in Singapore speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn and speak the language?
Yes, madam. I want to learn the language of say Mandarin
And Cantonese.
and Cantonese.
What particular home and electrical appliances can you operate?
The electrical appliances I can manage like washing machine, microwave, oven, washing machine, iron, vacuum.
This interview will be viewed by your potential employer. Why do you think he or she should hire you?
I think she or he hired me because I have experience and finished contract and I am hardworking, honest, loyal, and etc.
Thank you.
Welcome.